G'day friends, it's Andrew here from Nature's Image Photography, and lately I've been dabbling in a little macro photography. Lumix Australia have kindly loaned me the Lumix S 100mm f2.8 macro lens, and in this video I'm going to tell you a bit about the lens and my early impressions. I'm also going to show you some of the best shots I've taken with it so far, along with my exposure settings, because I know a lot of people like to see them. The Lumix S 100mm is the same size as my 85mm portrait lens, and in fact a host of other full-frame prime lenses in the Lumix lineup. If you don't have any of those lenses, I can tell you it's also very close in size to the 20-60mm kit lens it usually sells with the Lumix S5ii. To be more specific, it's 82mm long with a 67mm filter thread and weighs just 298 grams. And that also makes it one of the smallest and lightest macro lenses in comparison to equivalent pro lenses from any other brand. It comes with a generous sized plastic lens hood that's over half the size of the lens itself. Despite its light weight, the lens is dust and splash proof, and it's rated to perform to temperatures as low as -10 degrees. There's a lot of other technical stuff I could read out to you, but I won't because I don't understand half of it myself. The most important thing for me is the quality of the photos it produces, and I'll show you plenty more in a moment. The minimum focusing distance is 20 cm from the focal plane, which is closer than it sounds, and the lens can deliver genuine macro images with 1:1 magnification. These shots show you how close the lens is to the subject and the resulting photo. This image was cropped into a 16:9 to fill the screen, but otherwise hasn't been cropped or enlarged from the original. In an effort to maintain at least some level of depth of field, I usually have the camera a little further back, so I rarely push the close focus to its limits. Now, I haven't done all that much macro photography over the years, and never with a full frame camera, but for what it's worth, I can say this is easily the best macro combo I've ever worked with. I don't know if that's the lens showcasing the quality of the S5ii sensor, or the S5ii showcasing the quality of the lens. All I know is the results can be pretty amazing. It's hard to really comment on edge-to-edge sharpness because with macro in nature photography the shallow depth of field is a constant factor. But where the photos are sharp, they're very sharp, and that seems to be true across all parts of the frame. I can comment on edge-to-edge brightness, and this lens is giving me beautiful bright colours from the centre to every corner of the frame. All in all, this is a quality lens that's giving me great results on my S5ii, and I'm actually pretty excited to keep the trial going over summer. Who knows, this might not even be the last video you see from me on this subject. And now, because I would much rather let my pictures do the talking, I'm going to cut the commentary and just share a selection of my best shots taken so far on the Lumix S 100mm f2.8 macro lens. And as usual, I'm going to share my exposure settings for your interest. If you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe, and you can always thank me with a coffee using the link below.